So epilepsy is a condition that affects about 1% of the population of Ireland. And unfortunately, there are a select group of patients who become resistant to treatment. What our studies have identified is that blood vessels in the brain appear to be very, very susceptible in patients who have epilepsy. We've identified that therapeutically regulating these blood vessels could be a novel way of treating seizures in patients who are currently resistant to therapy.
So we're incredibly excited by the findings of this study, in which we showed loss of a key component of blood vessels in the brain, a protein called Claudin 5, was diminished in people with temporal lobe epilepsy, which is the most common form of focal epilepsy. And so what's interesting about this is that we found in our experimental models that loss of this protein could actually drive seizures. And importantly, we found by restoring levels of this protein, we could prevent seizures. Now, this is incredibly exciting because it has wide-ranging applications in various other neurological disorders in which we know there's a disruption of the integrity of these blood vessels and the so-called blood-brain barrier in the brain.
This is the fruit of several years of work across the laboratory and the hospital, and it's really a good evidence of really valuable interdisciplinary research. And I'd like to especially pay tribute to the patients who were involved in this study. It's really important that we involve patients in their data in this kind of research, as we cannot make the projections from the laboratory into the clinic until we have patients involved.